Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another painting, and this time I'm going to create a loose and quick sketch of a car. Before we start, I want to say a big thank you to the photographer for this beautiful photo. I'll share their ID here so you can also check out their work and maybe get ideas for your own projects. For this sketch, I'm using a 0.7 waterproof pen. The paper I'm working on is rough watercolor paper 300 GSM. Let's get started with the drawing. I've set up the perspective and I'm sketching based on that. It's not really important for me to make the drawing look exactly like the reference. What matters most is enjoying the process as I sketch. Now moving on to watercolor. I start with a base layer, and then for the next layers, I work more with watercolor blotches and textures. Overall, today's painting isn't too complicated. Once the watercolor is completely dry, I go back in to define the darks and lights. That means I use my dip pen to strengthen some of the lines and add more depth and contrast. After making sure everything is dry, I finish it off with some white gouache to add highlights. And that's it. Our painting is finished. I'm really happy you watched the video all the way through. If you enjoyed it, I truly appreciate it if you give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Stay creative and inspired.